I have a pack out.
Imagine that.
Okay, so I let you guys down. I have a mess.
It's a big one.
Hi, I'm the JakeOfALL, and I've worked like 12 jobs. And I try to, I try to eat an elephant every once in a while, but what is it you
Don't eat an elephant
in one bite. And I'm working on the Friday video, and Wednesday night goes by, we work on it. Thursday night goes by, we work on it. Just don't get it done. So sometimes stuff doesn't.
Friday's video.
Exactly, it's next Friday's video. I mean, if you look, there's lumber on the floor that has to do with the video, and I know
it's
you.
An empty tripod in the middle of the room for me with the bags of gravel.
Yeah, and I know you might go, "What the heck are you doing?" But you'll see, it's cool. Definitely going to give you a Titanic kind of vibe, but it's PACKOUT related. It's super awesome. You guys are gonna love it. But you know what else is super awesome? The community of people that create stuff for PACKOUTs. So I like bacon, and what I like with my bacon is maple. And these things smell like maple syrup.
I love that that's how you open.
I know, but okay, so...
It actually is funny because he opened, he's like...
I don't know
this is awesome.
How well you can see this, but these are resin printed PACKOUT latches.
Put your hand behind it so it'll...
So, do the makeup thing?
Yes, I need you to do the makeup thing. Hold on. Hey.
Okay, and what we're going to go ahead and do is we're going to flip them. And this is just a residue from it being in a package.
Well, and we accidentally... There was an issue with us and the address, so they went twice through the mail instead of just once.
And what you might ask is, why is there a hole? Because... I know. This is for an AirTag. So, if you look up on my screen... Royal Works Products, this guy makes a whole bunch of different stuff, not just PACKOUT related stuff, but he does engraving and all other cool things on glasses, whatever. But he came up with these, which allows you to put an AirTag in the PACKOUT latch. Now this is what I think he calls the version 1 small or whatever, but this is basically going to take this PACKOUT and let us replace this latch. Now, if you've never replaced one of these latches before, it's actually, could be considered one of those videos that I do where it's a how-to, but that's the simple gist of how do you get that sucker up. Put the screwdriver in, and here, I'm going to show you on this latch. I'm pushing the screwdriver to this point, okay, because this is catching on the PACKOUT. Now, I just put my handle back down. I'm going to turn it this way, and I'm just going to push and get this pry it out, and then...
It's not even that hard, though. I mean, you're wiggling with it now, but getting it loose with the screwdriver wasn't that complicated.
So now, I am going to pull the spring out. I am going to grab... Which one should we keep in there? The JakeOfALL one?
I think so.
Okay. So then, we're going to take the spring and we're going to put it back in. Okay. And before we finish this... I've not done this before, and I'm the technology person, but Jen said it's easy. So we're going to take our AirTag.
I mean, you're the computer IT and I'm the phone IT, so it works.
Right.
It's all about balance.
We're going to pull it out, and...
That's what she didn't say.
Oh, that was cool. Okay. So we're going to put that in. Oh, nice.
See? I told you, it just pops up.
Connect, and I'm going to give it a custom name because...
This is the PACKOUT you lose.
This is the one, use this phone. Okay. I'm going to call it PACKOUT. And then I'm going to say K-A-I-Z-E-N, cut kit. Because every time I do one of my customizations, I'm like, where's the Kaizen cut kit? And sometimes I'm like, I keep it in the house because,
I think I've chased that thing through 2 apartments, a house, and a storage unit.
I don't know what it's. You get emojis. Oh, this is a...
There's a lot of choices. So my club keys have a dancing lady and my lodge keys have a moose on them, even though it's an elk.
Even though it's an... Okay, so I'm going to make it...
They don't have an elk that I'm aware
There,
of.
it's a knife.
There you go.
All right, we're going to agree and connecting. So this is really cool, and I really like this. And, we obviously... we show off our stuff too, misting kits, lawnmower things. But there's a lot of people in the community that make really cool stuff. And sometimes they reach out to us, sometimes we find it. And, the whole point of the JakeOfALL originally when it started was I found a really good deal on the internet and I showed you guys about it, and then it just sort of blew up, and then I started showing you guys other 3D printed people stuff. It's amazing. Is there do Find My Phone?
You go to Find My Phone, and then you go Items.
Devices?
Items.
Items. Kaizen Cut Kit and Play Sound. So now I can run around the house going, where's the cut kit? So I'm going to do stop.
Make sure you have all ambient noise turned off, because AirTags, while they make noise, are not super loud. So if you lock your keys in the back bar and you can't find them anywhere in the building, you're going to have to, you know, quietly roam through the building while listening. Ask me how I know.
Sorry, I got to, you know, break her in a little. Oh, okay, so that makes sense.
Fit.
So that is why you get your...
Because it pops out.
You can slightly see the logo. Okay, I get it. So...
I'm not going to say I love watching you struggle, but I love
harsh.
that you're willing to be a real human on camera for people.
Right? Exactly. You know,
not everything is click your fingers in an easy transition. Like...
Exactly.
Sometimes.
So it's, you can see there is the JakeOfALL logo.
Hold on, you moved it too fast.
Sorry.
There's the bot. Okay.
Right, there's the JakeOfALL logo. Okay, so now I'm gonna actually play it again and just see if it's. I want to see if my PACKOUT makes noise. My PACKOUT makes noise now. Oh, okay.
Oh, there you go.
Pretty cool. Okay, so he makes a couple different ones. This is a large one, and this is a small one, and that's for the different size packouts. He's got a website. I'm going to definitely put a link in the description. But I have a lot of these now, and what I'm going to do is...
I see us in like getting one for every PACKOUT that you own, honestly. So then you're like, go to the garage. It's in the red one.
That's a lot of AirTags. How about this? I'm going to save a big one and a small one.
If it makes it easier, I love your Crocs with the red, by the way. They match
Exactly.
beautifully. If it makes it easier for me to go find the thing that's in the red PACKOUT in the garage, and I could just tap, you know,
you're a dork.
Kaizen PACKOUT, and it beeps till I find it, that would be ideal.
You're a dork. You are a dork.
No, you sent the colorblind lady in to look for
the red PACKOUT.
The red PACKOUT. I mean, they're all red, but...
Well, I want them to look for something, so I'm going to throw his logo up here on the screen. And I'm going to reward them for watching the video. And we have extras. And
so you're saying we're not going to master outfit the garage?
We're not going to master outfit. We are absolutely going to give these away, and we're going to test out something new because you created a Google form.
I did.
So that everyone that
prizes.
enters a PACKOUT or a giveaway actually has to go through a step to make sure we have a way of reaching you, because we have winners that are outstanding that still haven't replied to our comments saying you won. And we want them to get their stuff. Or
this prevents the issue on like them coming back a month later and saying, hey, I won this and I never got my product.
Exactly.
This confirms that we know how to contact you, have a shipping address, and then we don't have to hunt you down. I could just send you your stuff.
Exactly. So what we're going to do is, well, first of all, let me address another elephant in the room, which is that like 60% of you aren't subscribed, but you still keep watching. So appreciate it, but do me a favor and click the little subscribe button. Hit the notifications, whatever. But give us a like and give us a comment. And the comment's going to be really simple. Just say PACKOUT. Cool? Okay? And then click the link for the form. And you don't have to pay shipping. You don't have to do anything. You're going to just put in your YouTube username. You're going to say which product are you entering a giveaway for. And you're going to say, I agree. Whatever. And then we're going to pick a winner. And we might pick a couple since we have a couple of these. Because, you know, these aren't going to cost too much for us to ship.
And there is a category for unclaimed gifts. And once all the unclaimed gifts have been claimed, that category will be gone.
Exactly.
But you can enter to win the things that people have not responded to us on.
Right. So I have my latch for my PACKOUT that I can obviously find now. And I've got one extra because it's got the JakeOfALL logo. I'm a little partial to that. You guys have got some homework to do. You got a link in the description. And if there's ever a product that you want me to show off over here on the JakeOfALL, hit me up. Send me a message.
Something cool that you find. We are always down.
And we repost stuff all the time because we're just trying to share the PACKOUT love and organization and
so
anything sort of tool.
Right, exactly. There's so many different ways to eat that elephant that if somebody else has a better way, we are here for it.
Exactly. So, hit us in the comments, fill out the form, enter, and have a good Friday. Enjoy your elephants.